Assalamualaikum students, how are you all today? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. As you know that we have completed our syllabus of English Marigold book, and from now today onwards we are going to start our revision, that is chapter 1 to 10, means unit 1 to unit 5. So we are going to start with question number 1, give meanings. Okay, as you all know what is give meanings. Okay, it is the word meaning. Okay, whatever the word is given, we have to learn the meaning of that word. So the first one is wake up. Wake up. To awake or become roused from sleep. Wake up means to get up. In morning we used to get up, that is called wake up. Number 2, buzzing. Murmuring sound of bees. What is murmuring? The buzz sound it comes na. Usually you can listen the honeybee sound, that is called murmuring. It is the murmuring sound, zzz, like this type of sound used to come, that is called buzzing. It is the sound of a honey bees. Number 3, sleepy head. Sleepy person who is not awake. It means the person who is fast asleep, means yet he is not woke up, that is called sleepy head. Number 4, mutters. To whisper. Mutters, to whisper. Whisper means to speak slowly. Okay, all the time muttering, all the time speaking, all the time saying slowly in our mouth. Number 5, window sill, that is window panel. Okay, the windows which are having the frame, that is called window panel. Number 6, mirror, the reflecting glass. As usually you know what is mirror. Mirror means the eye, which say that aina. Okay, in which we see our face, which it reflects our face. Okay, that is called the reflecting glass in which we can see our face, that is called mirror. Number 7, stuck. Past tense of stick. Okay, it is the past tense of stick. Number 8, magician. Person with magical power. Okay, the person who is having supernatural power, that person is called magician. And in that chapter we have learned na, the Shetty the magician, fir tree. Do you remember, student? Yes. Okay, so magician means the person who is having more power, extra power, supernatural power. So the meaning of this is person with magical powers. Number 9, instead, an alternative. Okay, instead means alternative, that is the option. Number 10, raindrops. Drop of water from rain. As usually you can see when the rain comes from the sky, it comes in drops. Okay, it doesn't comes in a straight line. It always falls in a drop. So that is called raindrops. Number 11, lane, that is narrow street. Narrow means जो पतली गली होती है ना, that is called narrow street. And this lane we have learned in poem Run. Do you remember, student? Very good. Okay. Number 12, beneath, that is under. Beneath, that is under, यानी नीचे, below. Number 13, target. Small round shield. Okay, and do you remember we have learned in Nasruddin Shah's chapter that target, the round shield on which we have to aim it with bow and arrow? Yes, that is called target. Small round shield, it is type of round shield. एक round shield होती है, उस पे निशाना लगा के हमें मारना है, that is called target. Number 14, defending, to protect. Defending, to protect, हिफाजत करना. Number 15, curious. Number 15, curious. eager to know or learn. If anything is there and we have to learn something, so when we want to learn something, we are very curious to know about that. In poem we have learned that the name of the poem was Why. So that boy was always curious to know each and everything, why it happened this, why it happened that. Okay, so curious means eager to know or learn. Number 16, sink, drop or fall. Means whatever things we put in water, it directly goes into water, that is called sink. Number 17, scamper, to move in hurry. Scamper, to move in hurry. It means to run in hurry, to walk in hurry. The rabbit was in hurry, okay, he was in hurry to go, that is called scamper. Number 18, disappeared, that is vanish. Disappeared, vanish means गायब होना. Number 19, afraid, showing fear or frighten. As usual, you know that we have studied in poem. Okay, don't be afraid of the dark. Yes, students, do you remember that poem? Very good. Okay, so the meaning of afraid is showing fear or frighten, यानी डर जाना. Number 20, troubles, that is difficulty or problems. Okay, जो troubles means difficulty or problems. Okay. Number 21, healthy, having good health. Healthy, having good health. Okay, so good health यानी अच्छी सेहत होना. Good health means अच्छी सेहत होना. And the last one, 22, that is important, of great value. बहुत important जो चीज़ होती है ना, that is of great value, मतलब उसका जो importance होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So that important meaning is of great value. Okay, okay students. Okay, now we will learn rhyming words. Okay, question number 2 is rhyming words. Okay, as usual you know what is rhyming words. Okay, rhyming word means the words which rhymes with each other or the words which sounds the same. Okay, one word is there and the another word which sounds same, that is called rhyming words. So number 1 is trees. So the answer is bees. So can you listen the same sound? Yes student, very good. Okay, trees, bees. Number 2, sheep, cheap. Sheep, cheap. Number 3, nose, goes. Nose, goes. Number 4, shout, about. Shout, about. Number 5, why, buy. Why, buy. Number 6, sink, drink. Sink, drink. Number 7, would, should. Would, should. Number 8, guess, cress. Guess, cress. Guess, cress. Number 9, tears, dears. Tears, dears. And number 10, never, ever. Never, ever. I hope students that you all have learned give meanings and rhyming words and you have understood well. I hope that you all have studied also and you have understood it well. Jazakallah.